Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Play Store not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, clear cache and data. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search Play Store, click on Play Store, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache or clear data. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. And if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear cache or clear data, Google Play Store clear data or clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, check internet. Open settings, scroll down, click on connection, check Wi-Fi. Now turn on or turn off Wi-Fi. Now go back. Click on mobile network. Click on network mode. Click on 5G preferred. Now go back. Click on data usage. Now check mobile data. Now turn on or turn off mobile data. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. This is how you can fix Play Store not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.